Hello guys, how you doing during the lockdown period? Welcome to my YouTube channel once more. Today I want to do aloe vera oil. I want to extract aloe vera into Goya olive oil so I can use it for some cream, some organic cream, and also for my hair. It makes the hair grow very strongly and firm. It helps avoid breakage in hair when you have aloe vera oil in your hair. So I'm pouring it into this jar. Like, is it? You see, I've been able to extract the aloe vera from its green um back piet. Like, I remove it, so you have to find a way to remove it. I didn't quite remove it very well, but I'm doing a very small quantity right now just to show you guys and to have what I use. So I'm going to put some quantity of the oil, just quantity that can cover it up inside the jar like you've seen, and then I cover it up. So I'm going to have this on a double boiler method, and I turn on my heat in a pot. So I'm going to have this in a double boiler method for about 30 minutes. So I'm letting that sit in there. I'll have to cover the pot so it heats faster. So after 30 minutes I'll get back to you and show you what it looks like. So guys, I had to allow for evaporation by opening it up to avoid moist containing in the oil. So in about 15 minutes I'm going to put it down and let you see what goes up. So after 30 minutes we put it down from the fire, and this is how we're going to extract the oil from. It's time to extract the oil from the aloe vera. It's hot, so I'm trying to make sure it doesn't burn my hands. That's it. I'll be using this spoon to get everything out. That's about 3 methods of extracting these making aloe vera oil. You can decide to fry it with the oil on a low heat, but this is how I like it better. I prefer it like this so that I can still get all the ingredients. And for those that have sensitive skin, I think you should use this. If you're going to apply it, add it up in your cream or something, you should extract the oil like this. So let me just drop the camera and I extract the oil. I come back to you to show you what it looks like. So after extracting the whole thing, this is what it looks like. You can store it in a container to use it for skin, for your hair. You can add it up in your cream for whatever purpose you want to use it for.